going to talk about CNC machining. The term CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and CNC machining definition is that it is a subtractive manufacturing process that typically employs computerized controls and machining tools to remove layers of materials from a stock piece, known as the bank of work piece, and produces a custom designed part. The process is stable for a wide range of materials, including metals, plastic, woods, glasses, foams, and composites. The find application is a variety of industries such as large CNC machining of parts and prototypes for telecommunication, and CNC machining aerostatic parts, which require tighter tolerance than other components. Manufacturing process such as 3D printing or formative manufacturing process such as liquid injection molding, while subtractive process remove layer of material from a workpiece to produce custom shapes and designs. Additive process assembly layer of material to produce the desired form, and formative process deform and respective stock material into a desired shape. The automotive nature of CNC machining enables the production of high precision and high accuracy, simple parts, cost efficiency with filling one-off, and medium volume production. Medium volume production runs. However, while CNC machine demonstration certain advantages over manufacturing process, the degree of complexity and interactivity attributable to part design and the cost efficiency of producing complex parts is limited. CNC machining tolerance tables. When specifying parts of the machine shop, it's important to include any necessary tolerance through CNC machines are very accurate. They will leave some slightly variation between duplicates to the same part, generally around plus or minus 0.005 in centimeter, which is roughly twice the width of a human hair. To save on cost, buyers should only specific tolerance in areas of the part that will need to especially accurate, because they will come into correct with other parts, while the other standard tolerance is different levels of machining. Not all the tolerance are equal. For example, a part obviously cannot be larger than measurement. It might have a specific balanced plus or minus 2 minus 0.5. It shows it can be slightly smaller but no larger in that area. Thank you.